Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shanghai, as China's largest economic hub.
This is what you get in China for $230 a month.
Beautiful skyline I've ever seen in my life.
You've been lied to, tricked, deceived, finessed, misled. This is what you get in China for $230 a month. Huh? What? Yeah, $230 a month, fully furnished, China.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shanghai, as China's largest economic hub. Shanghai ranks 7th among the world's most valuable cities in 2025, with a population of 24.8 million and a GDP reaching 4.7 trillion yuan. This globally renowned magic city blends Lujiazui's financial district with the historic Bund architecture and boasts the world's largest container port. Home to over 300 Fortune 500 companies, Shanghai perfectly embodies the prosperity and charm of a world-class metropolis.
I don't know about y'all, but I did not know that China was like that. You see what I'm saying? Home to 300 of the top 500 companies on the planet. This is why a lot of people from North America are moving to China as we speak. Very advanced, our leader in AI as we speak, and it's very affordable. We're going to get into, the rent prices and the cost of living in the current videos. Next videos I got clipped up for you guys. But hey, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Would you move to China? Let's get it.
This was my $100 a night two-story hotel in China. I saw it on TikTok. I thought this is too good to be true, but I booked it anyway. And look at the view with the skyline of Chongqing, which has some of the most insane light displays I've ever seen. Keep in mind, this view was from the bathtub. Now, the difficulty with this hotel is getting there because Google and Apple Maps here are all out of whack. You have to show the driver the Raffles City building, which is one of the most famous landmarks, and it's just right across the street from there. Now, when you check in, there will be a robot butler roaming around. Don't be alarmed, he's very friendly, and all of the rooms are equipped with one of these glass bathtubs, and here's the sunset view. I will say Chinese television is so entertaining, even if you speak none of the language. And back to that robot butler, he will deliver you whatever you want, even late night food deliveries or water, towels, whatever. Now, I mentioned this is 2 stories, so the upstairs is just the bedroom with also great views, and it has a window down into the bathtub below if you're into that sort of thing. You know what I mean? Okay, bye.
So once again, we see the technological advancement with China. You let me know which hotel in North America going to allow you to pay $100 a night that comes with a robotic butler. You see what I'm saying? Completely driven with AI. You feel me? We don't have that in Canada, and we definitely don't have that in the US. So things like this explains why a lot of people are moving to China as we speak. Super affordable. And we already know everybody likes Chinese food. Cost of living, definitely decent. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you stay here for $100 a night? I'm going to China. Let's get it.
This is what $700 a month gets you in Yiwu, China. Come along. Welcome to my crib. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. The dining room. This is the very spacious living room. A lot of space. Now to the kitchen, where I spend most of my time. This is a basic kitchen, but it has all the utilities you need. You have a stove. See, it works. A sink. Looks like Central Park, but it's not. This is one of the smaller bathrooms. You have your toilet, your sink, and your shower. One of the guest bedrooms. Beautiful view. Get that view. Yes, pan it. An extra closet space. It's a bit messy. Another guest bedroom. More closet space. Salam alaikum. This is the laundry room / balcony. Washer, you have the natural dryer, and another beautiful view. This is the master bathroom. This is an automatic toilet, has a bidet. Then we have our shower here. The Naira shower head, you know what it is. Master bedroom, and then we have Musa's crib right here. More closet space. An office. Max, get to work. Yeah, that's the whole apartment. Let me know if you guys think it's worth it or it's too expensive.
So as we can see, Southeast Asia and Asia as a whole is undefeated. If we're talking strictly from a cost of living perspective, we can see that it's undefeated. $700 a month, You are not getting that for anywhere in North America, not in Canada, not the US, not any of the Western world top tier countries, the UK or anywhere in Europe included. You see what I'm saying? 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, spacious as hell. You feel me? For $700 a month. People not getting half that in Canada. You see what I'm saying? This is the future. This is why people are leaving Canada, leaving the US and heading to Asia because of that cost of life. You instantly you instantly increase your quality of life and you stretch that purchasing power. You feel me? China might be in a move for real. You see what I'm saying? I might check it out. Let's tap in. Let's get it.
We're on a boat ride in the middle of Shanghai, and this is the most beautiful skyline I've ever seen in my life.
Here is what $300 per month will get you here in China, and it's definitely not what you expect. Call me for apartment hunting here in China first. You need to know that apartments in China comes fully furnished, and if they're not furnished, you can request for extra furniture. This was apartment number 1, and this was a no for me because I'm so big on layouts, and guys, I just did not understand the layouts of this house. So anyways, the journey continues. Upon getting to the second place, I'm like, okay, I love the estate, I love what it's given, and this was the second apartment that we saw. It was alright, like it wasn't really bad, but I was just not like a fan of the room floors. I just didn't love, like, you know, how brand it was. It wasn't just my thing at all. This is apartment number 3. Okay, this was alright, but I don't know, there was just something about this house that didn't make me fall in love with it, honestly. And I'm just like, yeah, this could be an option, but let us, like, you know, see more. Okay. And guys, upon getting to apartment number 4, I'm like, where is the contract? I need the contract now because this is the house for me. Like, everything was literally in check. But guess what? Only for the landlord to, like, you know, just increase the rents. I think because we are foreigners or something. And like, well, we are back to square one. So it's 13.
So I don't know about y'all, but I see an increase in digital nomads, people who are not from Asia, but moving to Asia over the next 5 years. Those numbers increasing exponentially. Asia is like what the US was 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. The land of opportunity, the American dream in 2025, gang. Hey, you could kiss those days goodbye. Those days are dead. Why? Because all they're going to do is continue to lower rates, but increase the cost of living and price you out. You feel what I'm saying? The best way to beat the matrix is to never feel inflation. You can coin that term. I'm the maker of that. You see what I'm saying? Never feel inflation. It's the best way to beat the matrix. What do we mean by that? Make USD, make the Canadian dollar, but spend it in cheaper, lower tier countries. You see what I'm saying? But when we look at China, we definitely not calling China a lower tier country. China is a superpower of the world that still allows you to have that quality of life and spend for cheap, but live like a king. You feel me? And with that being said, it's your boy Plug World. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff, and holla at your boy.